the adventure today. No, I'm sorry, adventure. Today is to Leiper's Fort, Tennessee, because supposedly there's this grocery where people that are famous in the country music industry like to go and play, maybe pop up, and maybe we can see somebody. And they've got museums and things like that too. So we're gonna drive down the road just a little ways and check it out. It's a long way to Leiper's Fort, but you know, sometimes you just gotta stop. All right, we left the city today talking about having an adventure. Well, what better way to start off an adventure than this? Dinosaur world. Can you see that all right? Can you see how large that thing looms over us? It's so intimidating. Honey, hold me. As you walk into the entrance, it's a little foreboding. Feels a little dangerous. I don't know. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Look! Talked about adventure, but I don't know if I can handle all this. I'm getting a little nervous. Okay, but Dinosaur World is not just about dinosaurs. We've got other stuff here too.
Well, it looks like you've got picnic areas, you got a gift shop, museum, playground, fossil dig. That'd be kind of cool for a kid.
Fossil dig.
Yeah.
Fossil dig.
Touch and tell. I have no idea what touch and tell is.
Touch and tell.
Well, there's a bone grave.
Touch and tell.
Boneyard.
Boneyard.
Skeleton garden.
Skeleton garden.
That'd be pretty cool.
That sounds like
movie cave.
Cool stuff. What kind of movies do they show? You think what 10 million years BC or something like that?
I don't know.
I mean, you know, dinosaur movies.
And then
Godzilla.
It's got, a walk, which
It's
begins
got a walk.
right now.
It's got a walk with a skeleton garden. That's adventure. Okay, we can't stay long. We've got to go to Leiper's Fort, but I think we've met a new friend. Diney! Diney the dinosaur and his very, very weight-conscious brother, Skinny. Okay, fun little side adventure, but the road back ends. We've got a long way to go. Okay, it's been kind of a trek. A lot of traffic slowdowns, but we can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Well, actually, there's no tunnel that we know of. We're getting close. Hang on. Twisty, turny. Some beautiful houses out there. I can live here. Yeah.
In half a mile, turn left onto Carter's Creek Pike.
Hope you feel it. We're getting closer. It's coming. Look at this land over here. This is some beautiful countryside. Man. Wow. Can you imagine waking up to that every morning? Man. Got a turn. Here we go. I think this is the road.
In 3 miles, turn left onto South Road.
No, not the road. Look, Andy! Andy! I get greeted by the old-time sheriff's car. I like this town already. And look, it's Bo and Luke. And there's people parked here for sure. Don't know where to park.
Yeah, we'll just ride through and then turn around.
Look at this mass amount of stuff going on here. People, I don't want to be here. And they are. We should park somewhere. Find a parking place.
Go all the way through, maybe?
Don't know.
Here's the place where you can see the people that come at night and play.
Buckets, and look at that. This is a cute town. Leiper's Creek Gallery. They got a gallery, a general store. Huh. They have a spa. Look where they have the spa. In this Victorian style house. We get it. Leiper's Fork, the adventure has begun. Just have to wait for the driver of the Leiper's Fork taxi. Should be along any minute now. I was waiting for the taxi, but I found something a whole lot better to ride on. A little more comfortable, a little faster too. Cruise on this. Oh, I can feel the wind in my hair now. The Leiper's Fork Country Store in this place is incredible. You got just about every kind of thing you could want and stuff you had no idea you might want, especially if you live in Kentucky. Found stuff to keep her occupied, a little bit of jewelry, a little perusing.
This is cool. It's the,
Would look good on you.
it's ask and it will be given, seek and you will find. Knock and the door will open.
A little scripture there too.
I know, I'm getting this.
Ah, this is a spiritual experience. The Leiper's Fork General Store. Gotta check this place out if you stop by. Leiper's Fork, Tennessee. We're gonna go into the place where all the folk play guitar and hopefully maybe see somebody famous. If not, we're gonna see somebody who knows how to pick for sure. This close to Nashville. I just got transported back to my childhood. Had these old glider rocker things. Of course, back then, you know, they had paint on them, but the Leiper's Fork, they've got the mercantile, and they've got these out here, and you could buy along with some pretty flowers and a pretty lady too. This town is just really cute when you start looking at it. All the historic homes. You know, you can really make yourself at home here. Not a lot of places to sit down in this town, but when you do find one, the one thing I like is you're able to pick it. Get it? Pick it. This is going to be an adventure, but I found something in the fork. Finds in the fork. Last time, what was it? Scrambled eggs or a piece of beef? Not quite sure. It appears it's time to do some more shopping. Okay, bourbon, maple, pecan, caramels. Unhooked. They've got to like this place. The memorabilia, the classic stuff. And look at this. When was the last time you saw a sun drop spotted? And they've got a map, and we are here. Somewhere close. Yeah. Starting to feel a little funky. Sure like some gum right now. Oh man, no gum. I hope so then. Run to the store and get us some gum. Okay, I can't believe this, but all the way to Leiper's Fork, we found a fan. Okay, Leiper's Fork is not a big town, but yet you can rent bikes. So, hey, you don't want to walk, you don't have to. You don't even have to pedal. They're electric or something. Well, big time has come to the small town. Oh my, oh, Kentucky, oh. No wait, we're in Tennessee. That tractor just fit, sorry.
So what we found out about this little town here is that today is pretty exceptional compared to people coming here. It's 4th of July weekend prior to it. But I think what we found out most of all from this little town is it just really is just a cool place to see. Leiper's Grocery has some really cool people playing music tonight. Some of the locals, which are big stars, come by ever so often. You never know when. So I just say you should just try this place out.
It's got a cute little ox cart here thing, but this is Moo Country. This house, according to the young lady inside, is a family-owned thing. And it had sheetrock in it that was like evidently really nasty. They went in, gutted the whole thing out, and when they pulled the sheetrock out, they found out it was truly a log cabin. The inside, oh, fantastic. You got to check this place out if you're ever in Leiper's Fork. And it's a bit of a walk back, but it's okay. Okay, we're stopping on the wall here. Okay, it's one cool little town, especially if you like country music, because it seems to be everywhere. One band wrapped up at about 3 o'clock Central Time, and it being Saturday, you know there's going to be another band in. Wish we could stay, but just can't. Gotta go. Leiper's Fork. We like you. Okay, interesting little side note before we go. Notice beyond those cars, that is like a hill. People are parking on the hill to get to this place. Definitely cool. People want to come here.